Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have here a 2015 Ford F-250, 6.2 V8, four-wheel drive, extended cab, XLT trim, cloth seats, rubber floors, power locks, power windows, cruise control, small rip in the driver's seat here. As you can see, you got a couple stains on the seat and the center console there. Local fleet truck, was owned by a contracting company here in Richmond. Cosmetically pretty clean. The body and the paint are free of any defects, any wear. Really, I just walked all the way around it and took pictures. I can't find any dents, dings, scratches on the body anywhere. It's got 4 nearly new tires, and the rust situation underneath is excellent. Pretty much nothing to speak of anywhere on the undercarriage. Runs out great. We just installed new catalytic converters, fully serviced, passed state inspection, no problems whatsoever. Small dent there. You have a tow package. It's got all the wiring, the receiver all ready to go. And again, there's really no dents, dings, scratches anywhere. We've got a couple here along the bedside, but this thing is just incredibly clean. If you do have any questions, my number is 804-716-8487. Feel free to call or text anytime. I can send you any more videos, close-up images of anything you'd like to see. A little bit of paint wear on the dash there, and a little bit on the driver's side has some of that too. But again, just very minor flaws. Truck really is in excellent shape. And runs out 100%. Like I said, we did just do brand new catalytic converters, some other miscellaneous service items, but other than that, she was pretty clean and ready to go. So again, 804-716-8487. Let me know if you have any questions. It's a 2015 F-250 gas, four-wheel drive, 8-foot bed, extended cab, 152,000 miles. Thanks for watching.